Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble the Dashing Through the Snow pickup. It's an adorable die collection that lets you create this three-dimensional pickup truck, which has enough space in the back for some small treats. So as you can see, it's a pretty large die collection. Everything is here so that you can cut enough pieces in one pass. There's 4 tires, there's all of the fender pieces, all of the window pieces, and then the truck body and the truck sides, and then some details. So these are really fun to cut out of like a metallic cardstock. These are the bumper and the grill portions. But as you can see, everything is here so that it makes it really easy to mass produce these and cut everything you need in minimal amount of time. So let's go ahead and assemble one. I have all of my pieces cut. You can see I have my 4 main body pieces over here, and then all of my detail pieces I ran through my Xyron sticker machine. It'll just make it a lot quicker and easier to add all of those details, but you can use whatever adhesive you want. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. You can see here I have stamped on this one already, this little cute little Merry Motors sentiment. That's from the Dashing Through the Snow sentiment set. So there are some cute little coordinating sentiments in that set that you can use on the vehicles, either the train, the pickup, or the sleigh. And that little Merry Motors is designed to fit on the end gate of the pickup. So I already stamped that, and you want to do that ahead of time before assembling. Alright, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to fold that little end gate portion and adhere it so it's doubled over like that. Okay, then we're going to attach these 2 center panels together. There's a tab on the end of the longer strip, and that gets attached to this end of the other body strip on the end with the curve going this way. Okay, so that's the hood, or not the hood, I'm sorry, that's the roof of the pickup. Okay, so attach those at that point right there with this tab on the end of the longer strip. Give that a little squeeze so that adhesive is nice and set. I like to use liquid adhesive, but you can use whatever adhesive you want. I just find liquid gives me a little bit more flexibility, time to kind of get things set before they're solidly in place. Just gives me a little time to adjust. Okay, so go ahead and fold that center panel on all of the creases. Just for a little perspective here, let me tell you what's what. This is the roof of the pickup, the windshield area, the hood, and the front grille area. And this is where the back window will go. This is the bottom of the bed, and then the end gate. Okay, so just fold everything accordingly, and then go ahead and fold all of these tabs. They all get folded down with the exception of the end gate. Those get folded up. Alright, now go ahead and attach the center panel to the side panels of the pickup. And we're going to attach both of them here at the same time, kind of working together, but you can do it however you feel is easier. If you think it's easier to do one complete side first and then add the second side, you can do that as well. It's just a matter of what works better for you. I'm going to work on both sides at the same time. So you can see here I'm attaching the top part of the side panels of the pickup to those little tabs on the roof portion of the center. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and start assembling the front of the pickup. So I'm going to put some adhesive on all 6 of these front tabs, 3 on each side. And then just start assembling. This first one is the windshield area. So go ahead and get that set in place and make sure everything's nicely aligned with the edges, that your fold of your tab is aligned with the edges of the side panels. And then same with the hood. You can give those tabs a little squeeze and let that glue set so things aren't moving around as you go along. Tuck those front tabs inside, and that's the grill area. Again, just take your time and make sure everything's nice and flush with your folds. Okay, so our center, our front portion is assembled. Now we can go ahead and move to the back. And I'm going to start by just putting adhesive on these first two long tabs, one on each side. This portion gets folded down. Make sure those little tabs are getting tucked in there. I like to be stubborn and kind of pop out. Just tuck them on in. And you're going to push this down until it's even, nice and straight along this little detail cut. This is acts as both a detail on the side of the pickup as well as a guide. So this fold here needs to be straight with that cut. Okay, you can see that there. Make sure that this fold lines up with that cut on both sides. Give them a little squeeze and a little time for that glue to set. Once it's good and set, then you can go ahead and finish the box by putting adhesive on those next two tabs. And then that just gets pushed up to form the base of the box. And this bottom edge of the tab will just line up nicely with the bottom edge of the panel, just like that, minus the wheel. The wheel rounded portion will extend beyond that edge, but everything else should line up nice and straight along that bottom edge. Okay, and you're pretty much finished. The end gate, you have some options here. You can either add some adhesive to those tabs and glue those up in there so that it stays, or you can leave it so that you can move it back and forth. You can even cut those tabs off if you want to leave it open, you know, permanently. It's up to you how you want to handle that. All right, so then we can move on and add all of the little details. And there you go, it's all finished. Go ahead and fill it up with treats in the back, maybe a gift card, maybe some cute Christmas cookies, whatever your heart desires. Well, thanks for watching this assembly video for the Dashing Through the Snow pickup. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great time making some of these for yourself for the holidays. Thanks for watching.